everybody, John here. Just watched Charlie Mack's video and want to jump into the Eggplane Group Build. As you may know, earlier this year I did a Blue Angel F-11F Tiger, and also did a video on my history of the Blue Angels and Thunderbirds. And so I saw these out there and decided to pick up both of them. I think, I may do both, but for sure I'll do one. And I think it's only fair, since I built a Blue Angel this year, that I build a Thunderbird as well. So I'll start with this one. If I get to that one, great. If not, I'll save it for next year. This is my entry into the 2024 Eggplane Group Build. And I want to thank Charlie Mack and Munchkin Modeling Man for hosting the group build again this year. This will be my third year, so totally looking forward to it. So that's my entry, and thanks for watching, and happy modeling.